Next, we have Ashu.
To start on the count of three. 3, 2, 1. A very frenetic good morning to honorable respected juries and my members. Let me begin with this simple fact. India is the youngest nation where the 65% of its population, which is nearly 382 million people, are below the age of 35, which is youth of the India. And here's come the greatest question. Is this our greatest power or the biggest challenge? And the answer of this very question relies on the Union Budget of 2026, where the youth is center placed and where youth was the power, the backbone of Indian vision, mission, and our dream of Viksit Bharat in 2047. The Union Budget of 2026 is not just a financial annual statement. It is a strategic instrument that transforms the youth into the architects for our Viksit Bharat 2047. With the transformation relies on three kartavyas because our budget was present on the kartavya, but for the very first time this time. The three kartavyas are education and empowerment, followed by the second kartavya, which is innovation and enterprise. And the third kartavya, it's holistic well-being. From micro to macro economy, this budget covers all. Yet, some of the most significant, yet one of the most underexplored facts about this budget have been mostly ignored. With this budget, Honorable Speaker Sir, a youth graduate from Meghalaya doesn't need to beg for a job because with the help of CM Skill Development Mission, now a youth can create job, not to beg job, because the market doesn't entertain certificate, it entertains capabilities. A young student from a village now is no more geographically challenged because 5 university townships have been established, which is the strategic empowerment. A youth athlete from Northeast is now no longer limited by the geography because in every house of every village, now we can have a Mirabai Chanu and Lovelina Borgohai. And one of the most unexplored thing is the rare earth corridor. I will repeat, rare earth corridor. In this century, rare earth corridor is the most important thing for every nation because while America is leading the dollar, while China is leading the rare earth, why not India? APJ Abdul Kalam widely reminds us, you have to dream before dream comes true. It's time to create, not to wait. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.